Hello Cubers, welcome to RS Cubers. So in the last video we have learned that how do we do this white color with RSAI beginners method. So in today's video we are going to learn that how do we do this yellow, the second step of 2x2 cube. So there are six cases to do the second step. So every case I'll explain you one by one. So in my cube right now I have case number 1. So how do we analyze these cases? So basically to do the full yellow we have to observe the top and the side of the 2 by 2 cube. Means the top face and this upper side face of the 2 by 2 cube. You have to observe the yellow colors. So for now I can see on the top I have only one yellow corner. So the very first case, as you can see, in the very first case we have only one yellow corner on the top, and we have a fantastic news that for all the six cases there is only one algorithm which we need to apply. So see, when we have only one yellow corner on the top, we have to keep our yellow corner like this in our left side bottom. You can see it is on our left side. At this side we have to keep this yellow corner, and then simply we have to apply the formula, which is r u r prime u r u u r prime. Now you can see my yellow is solved in just one algorithm. But in some cases we need to apply this algorithm twice or thrice dependent on the cases. So this was case number 1. Now you can see this is case number 2. So in the case number 2, on the top we have two yellow corners, and also in this we have to observe the side colors. So you can see in the front also or in the side also we have a bar of yellow. So when we have two yellow corners we can call it as a bar. So on the top we have two bars, we have a bar, and on the front side we have a bar. So this case is the second case of doing the full yellow. So how do we hold this is basically two yellow corners on the top and two yellow corners on the front, and simply then we have to apply the formula, which is r u r prime u r u u r prime. So you can see the case. Now we have again got the case 1. So basically I'll keep the case 1 like this, as we have to keep the case 1 like this. So r u r prime u r u u r prime. Now you can see again I have to keep this yellow. This is because case 1. So this one yellow we have. So this yellow corner I'll keep at my left, and again I'll apply r u r prime u r u u r prime. Now you can see the yellow is completed. So this was the case 2, but this time we had to apply the formula 3 times. So in every case it can take, we have to apply the formula, for example, 2 times, 3 times, but it will not take more than 4 times or like that. So basically every case it is different uh, case, and it is dependent on how many times formula we should apply. Now I'll tell you the case number 3. So now this is case number 3. So in the case number 3 we have two yellow corners diagonally. Like in the case number 2 we observed we were having two yellow corners in line. So in the case number 3 we had to apply the algorithm multiple times, like 3 times we applied. So now let's see how many times we have to apply the algorithm in this case, and how do we hold this case. So basically to hold this case we have to, one corner we have to keep it at our right side and one corner at our left side top, and then simply we will apply the algorithm, which is r u r prime u r u u r prime. Now I have got the different thing. Again, I'll apply R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R prime. Now you can see I have got the case number 1. So again, I'll apply the formula R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R prime. Now my yellow is completed. So this time also I had to apply the formula multiple times, like for 3 times I applied the formula, and then my yellow got completed. So basically at last we get case 1, and then the yellow gets solved. So in every cases, like the second case, third case, or fourth case, whatever case will come, at the last case 1 will come, and then only the yellow will be solved. Only in case number 1 formula it will not take more than 2 times to apply. So let's move forward for case number 4. Basically now you can observe this is case number 4. So in the case number 4 we don't have yellow color on the top, but yes, we have yellow colors on the sides. So we have to observe, see, This is two, there is a bar of yellow and there is a bar of yellow. So how do we hold at, and they are opposite to each other. One bar is over here and one bar is over here. So how do we hold this case? So basically to hold this case, we have to hold these bars, one at our right and one at our left. And simply we have to hold the cube like this and just apply the algorithm, which is R U R prime U R U U R prime. And simply I got the case 1 again and I'll apply the formula R U R prime U R U U R prime. Now my yellow is solved. So I applied the formula twice and my yellow got solved in the case number 4. Now let us move for the case number 5. Again, this is case number 5. But you can say now that case number 2 was this where we were having two bars. But no, in the case number 5, what's the difference is, in the case number 2, we were having two bars like here and two bars in the front, means like that. But in case number 5, it is different. Two bars are on the top and in the side, if you observe, there are no two bars. So one is at the right and one is at the left. So bars, the yellow corners in the sides are opposite to each other. So this is the case number 5 where we have a yellow bar on the top and no bars on the sides. Okay, so simply how do we hold this case is keeping the bar at our right side and one yellow corner in our at our front, and simply then we have to apply the algorithm, which is R U R prime U R U U R prime. Again, I got the case number 1. Simply I'll keep the cube like this and R U R prime U R U U R prime. Again, I got the case number 1 because I have only one yellow corner. So I'll hold the cube properly in the case number 1 position and then apply the formula R U R prime U R U U R prime. My yellow is completed. Now the last case. So now my yellow is solved. Again, this is the last case where we don't have any yellow on the top, but we have one yellow bar and another side we have bars opposite to, sorry, yellow corners opposite to each other. So like you would say, this is similar to case number 4. But in the case number 4, we were having two bars opposite to each other. But we have one bar in this case and then at the other side we have two yellow corners opposite to each other. So basically, how do we hold this case? So basically, the two bars, the two yellows which we have to keep at our left side and one yellow corner at our right side in the front. And then simply we have to apply the algorithm, which is R U R prime U R U U R prime. I got the case 1 again. I'll simply keep it like that in the case 1 position and then I'll apply the formula R U R prime U R U U R prime, and my yellow is completed. So this was the full yellow step where we were having just cases, and with this observing the 6 cases, the yellow patterns, we have to solve this full yellow. I hope you have got the concept of full yellow. In the next video we are going to learn the third step and the final step of this 2 by 2 cube, and it is also very simple. We have to just memorize one algorithm and then our full cube will be solved. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.